Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California. We've got a fire truck, just a pumper truck here, and gotten some front end collision damage, got tangled up when it was code 3 to a call. Kind of took out the front end of the door. You can see that all the trim and lights and stuff has been stripped off of it. It just came out of the spray booth. We've got some photos of that as well. So the paint process is done. It's been polished. Now we're ready to put all the trim back on and the lights and windshield wipers and such, and we'll deliver it back. So if you've got any fire and rescue equipment that you need repaired, please come see us at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda. We specialize, we have fabrication. We can fabricate all of these aluminum, stainless steel panels, custom make parts that are hard to get. So we're the guys to help with this type of work, so please come see us at OCRV.